Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to read study books effectively. Begin by surveying the entire book. Look at the table of contents, introduction, and conclusion to understand the overall scope. Next, establish specific learning objectives for your reading session. This helps you focus on what's most important. Finally, quickly skim through chapter headings and bolded terms to get a preliminary understanding of the key concepts you'll encounter. This initial overview prepares your mind for deeper engagement. As you read, engage actively with the material. Avoid over-highlighting. Instead, mark only the most crucial points, perhaps 1 or 2 sentences per paragraph. Translate complex ideas into your own words by taking brief, focused notes. This process solidifies your understanding. Furthermore, continuously question the text. Ask yourself why and how, then actively search for the answers, which deepens your critical thinking. After reading, it's vital to consolidate your knowledge. Take a few minutes to summarize what you've just read, either mentally or in writing. This helps cement the information. Engaging in discussions with classmates or study partners can also be incredibly beneficial, offering different viewpoints and clarifying any confusing points. For challenging topics, consider making flashcards or drawing mind maps. These visual aids are powerful tools for memory retention. Consistent review is key to long-term retention. Schedule regular intervals to revisit older material, perhaps weekly or bi-weekly, to combat the natural forgetting curve. Actively test yourself using practice questions or by explaining concepts aloud. This reveals areas needing more attention. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your study environment. A comfortable and inspiring space can make a big difference in your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.